take off the wheels and then the axles and see where we go from there.
Honey, you're at the door.
You can put it here. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Yeah, how pretty that looks. A girl doing mechanic.
There was a spacer in between. There was a spacer in between these, okay? So we don't forget later. There's a lot of oil down here. Oh my god, almost died. Almost killed me, but we got it off. I gotta be more careful, pay attention to what I'm doing. Got that sparkly edition transmission fluid. Alright, so I'm taking the brakes out. I'm going to take the center nut off, take this out, so I can remove the axle from the transmission. This one, I'm gonna need a ratchet. There we go. From the last time I broke my transmission. I think this is number 4 this year that I broke. Number 3 or 4, I think. This is my second time doing my transmission, but my boyfriend did it one time without me, so this will be my 4th time. There we go. I think I'll finally be a master mechanic whenever I can solidly get a cotter pin out without fucking losing my shit. Hates me, fucker. I'm drooling all over myself. There we go, look at that. The more times you do it, the better you get at it, I guess. I think this is also a 17. Yep, look at that. We're going places. Oh, that breeze feels so amazing. Aww. Thank God for the invention of impact. Yeah. This one came out. None of the other ones came. That one came out. Oh, I just need this one to come out. Don't play with my emotions. How you're gonna do me? Stay there for a second. It's a WD-40. We don't have time for your love games. Okay? Go fuck your mother. Times 2 cheating death. Times 2. Thank you, darling. Why do I gotta have a washer on it? That's suspicious. Very suspicious. More cotter pins. My favorite thing in the world is cotter pins. Yeah, 1 down, 2 to go. Sweating profusely. Holy fuck. The fucking cotter pins. Ooh, you were nice. You had a nice one. Might help if I put the socket on first, right? Yeah. Are you gonna come out nice? Wow, you're nice. That's lovely. What about you? Probably couldn't use my ratchet to do that. My neighbors probably hate me. Right, just gonna do the top real quick. Be careful with fucking carbon fiber front. Ah! Why aren't you going down? You hate me? Is that what it is? Tell me now. Yeah. Just gonna do both of those like that. Is that what we're gonna do? It's not a good time. Hate it here. The center shaft is only three. Arthritis.
See this right here? You gotta like grab it
and hammer it.
And then hammer it. Pop,
Okay.
pop, pop. Come ready to come back down? You did it.
Got it. Yeah. How am I supposed to get this? Shit.
Aren't you strong?
I guess not. Can I take it off with the impact or no?
You got that little ratchet?
This?
Yeah,
You gotta tell me the rules.
I mean,
of the land.
Use it, you know what I'm saying? That's the rule of thumb.
Sometimes you tell me not to use it.
And you can use it.
Okay.
Just don't use it on 10, because your inventory is for
Go Power Rangers. You had it the whole time?
It was only here, man.
A liar.
You never did it.
Oh, I got it. Reflex for me. That's it. I got all 3 of my transmission bolts off. Okay, so I just finished taking everything out from the bottom. I got everything done. All I pretty much have to do now is take the piping off, take the starter off, and take off each transmission bolt, and then I should be able to pull the transmission out, and we'll be able to look inside and see what's wrong with it. This obviously takes me a really long time to get done because I have to stop and record and change cameras and make sure that everything is set up right so that you guys can see exactly what I'm doing at each step, so you can guys follow along and maybe want to do the same thing to your car. So next I'm going to take this clutch save cylinder out. It's just these 2 bolts right here. And I'm going to take this ground off right here. And then I'm going to take, I guess, these 3 bolts off here. And there's another bolt underneath here next to my battery in the car. And then I got to take this one off. So this 19.